Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable zoom to fill on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the YouTube app. If you're not signed in already, make sure to log into your account to access all the settings you'll need. Step 2. Now, locate the profile picture or a placeholder icon and tap on it. Step 3. Next, locate the settings symbol at the top right side and tap on it. Step 4. Now scroll down to locate the playback option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the zoom to fill option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the zoom to fill option to turn it on instantly. Always zoom so that videos fill the screen in full screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.